What is that? Fumigation? Close the window.
Leave it, we'll get free extermination. Your parents look good. They look unemployed, mostly. Take over as her English tutor for me. But I don't have a degree, just fake it. With skills like this, why can't you get into art school?
Shut up.
Dad, I don't think of this as forgery or a crime.
It's a very opportune gift. Rich people are really gullible. How should I describe the mother?
I always sit in on the first lesson. Is it okay with you? My son is an artist by nature.
It's a chimpanzee, right?
It's a self-portrait.
Amazing.
None of his art teachers ever last.
Someone just came to mind.
Wait a minute. Jessica, only child. From Illinois, Chicago. I'm a classmate of your cousin.
They are rich but still nice.
They are nice because they are rich.
I'm deadly serious.
But do you know what's the strangest of all?